Kala ko ay maabutan ng ranger. Mayadaanan naman natin yan. Okay. um, 4 bars na lang ako. Ay 3 bars. Dito. May hawk. Slow down. That's the area. All light vehicles pababa daw. Sabi ng mga signs. A little bit of off-roading. Kasi naubusan na naman ako ng gas. Fuel status 80 km range. Let's do this. Boom 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 boom. Ah! Oh yeah, mani popcorn. Ah, doon si Joe, ayan oh. Doon sa Joe na diretso. Oo, dyan. Pero pwede naman kasi pang 4 wheels naman siya. Pero hindi ko lang. Hindi pang 4 wheels, pwede naman ng 4 wheels. So nakaakyat naman din siya. Pang 4 wheels kasi yung PCX niya. Wala na. Ganda na yung kalsada. It's done. Saglit, babalik ko lang sa mauna ka lang babalik ko lang sa road mode na. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know I know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never let go more than your love. Daan ako sa kaliwa mo. Miss you like crazy. Miss you like crazy. And once again I know you. Ganda ng aking sikay. Ganda dito. Where na yun? River Hills. River Hills. Ito ay ating saan? Doon na lang. Doon na lang sa bayan-bayan. Kung malapit na Pipisik, di ba? Meron meron pa naman akong 80 kilometer range. Kaya nga. Mm. But of course, yes. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. They're all I ever wanted. Tell me how to win your love. Saying I love you. Parang dyan sila siningil. Eh tayo pabalik. So hindi na tayo siningil. Blue Beach, mabuhay Agila. Hala, meron dito ano. Gusto mo bang mag-picture dyan? Or not? Ayaw. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. Here I am at your phone. There's so much you have to go to find a girl. Merong ano GS. GS dalawa. If you want, you can. Oo. Balas. Yan mo na sila. Mga yan yung mga super friendly na mga riders. I love it. I love it here. I love it here. I love it there. Savor the view. Savor it. Where na you? Hindi na sila dun eh. Rugged naman talaga dun. Wala silang motor na appropriate para dun. Bugbog yung mga may masyado mabato. Oo, matatalsik-talsikan lang yung mga tambutso nila under chassis dun. Mayroong mayroong yung adventure dun. Kaya maganda nga yung yung anti-clockwise o counter-clockwise. Kasi may experience mo everything. Too long in the wind. Too long in the wind. The freedom that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chain. I am your loving arms again. Packet dito 45 degrees. Brace yourselves. May bato. Alas 9. Ang alas 9. Yokai. Meron ditong pasulong ulit 45 degrees na ano, super kurbada. Cause I'm easy on Sunday morning. I'm easy. Antayin kita dito. Antayin kita din eh. I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Everything's made to be broken. Masakit na ang pet ko. Ay may nararamdaman na akong pagmanhid. But it's okay. Is it okay if I call you mine, just for a time? And I will be just fine. Ano yun? If I ask you to hold it tight in a cold dark night. Hello. This mic. I'll be just fine. Hello. Of course. I read you. Copy. Coffee shop. Welcome to Summoner's Rift. Up in the good times, just down in the bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, there are things that I wanna do, girl. How can I tell her? Girl, just tell me what to do. Meron ditong ano warning. Off-road ahead. Mga namang hindi mahirap na off-road to. Mukhang ano lang, patag na. Pipisik na ata dyan sa unahan eh. What? One kilometer away. It's the time. Do not lose momentum. Oo, yung kanina, bato-bato. Otherwise, easy na. May kalsada na din eh. Kalsada na ulit. Whew, I love it. I love it. Sandy beaches dito ah. Pag-akyat ata dito ah. Sick na. Off-roading again. Of course, will do. Copy. Roger. Mike. Velarde. Kita ko na. Along the way. Pagkatapos na ano. Ay, ang daming tae. Ang daming tae. Ang daming tao. Puno. Are you kidding me? Ay, hindi. Puno lang. Pero hindi puno yung kainan. May kainan. May libre. Oh, yeah. Give me. Okay na. Hindi na. Ilagyan ko ba to? Ay, hindi. May bato pala dyan. Akin na. Baba ka. Sige, baba. Baba ka. Hmm. Yokai.